Are you looking for the fragments of Parmenides or Heraclitus? Perhaps you're also interested in an introduction to philosophy or the pre-Socratics. The title of the book is The Fragments of Parmenides and Heraclitus with an Introduction to the Philosophy of the Pre-Socratics for Beginners. You can get the book on Kindle, Audible, or as a paperback on Amazon. We hope you'll enjoy this free sample. Please see the links in the description below the video. Now here are the fragments of Parmenides and Heraclitus. An Introduction to Parmenides. Parmenides, also known as Parmenides of Elea, was a pre-Socratic Greek philosopher who was born in 515 BC and died in 450 BC. He established the field of ontology, or the study of being, and metaphysics, or the study of reality, mind, and matter. Given the abiding appeal of these topics across cultures and generations, his speculations on the origin of the universe have been influential on the entire body of Western philosophy. The fragments of Parmenides can be classified as paradoxes, since according to the literal sense of the word, a paradox is something which is contrary to appearance or commonly accepted opinion. Parmenides believed that appearances can be deceptive because our senses can trick us and present us with false information. Accordingly, he asserted that our experience of the world is an illusion. We think that things are born, die, move, and change, but all of these ideas are false. Moreover, there are no separate things. Rather, reality is made up of only one thing, a belief that is known as monism. In short, for Parmenides, reality never moves or changes and will remain the same for all eternity. Because he believed that human experience was illusory, he emphasized that human beings should strive to develop their minds and powers of reasoning. With his belief in the absolute unreliability of appearances and his emphasis on reasoning, Parmenides is also classified as an extreme rationalist, that is, one who claims that reason is a source of knowledge that is independent of experience. Parmenides is perhaps most well known for his claim that a person cannot think of that which is not. Often misinterpreted as the view that a person cannot think about something which doesn't exist, this assertion instead proposes that a concept of nothingness or non-being simply cannot be formed. That is because for Parmenides, thinking should focus on a concept that has a certain content. Conversely, non-being or nothingness has no content, so it is an unintelligible concept. In his view, the concept of something not existing cannot and should not even be used in philosophical argument. In addition, since reality never changes, becoming and coming into being, in other words, being born, is also an impossible concept in this school of thought. Movement is also impossible, because for something to move, it must move into an empty space, and emptiness is equivalent to non-being. The only surviving work of Parmenides are fragments of a poem that is believed to be entitled On Nature. Although the fragments are brief, they are extremely significant, as they are often regarded as the first written evidence of a sustained argument in Western philosophy. The fragments were originally written in hexameter, as a poem which was narrated to the writer by a goddess. The work puts forward an argument consisting of the following ideas. Only that which exists can have any reality. Reality is universal. Human existence is fundamental, unchanging, and timeless, and appearances can be false and deceptive. The philosophy of Parmenides is often summed up with the expressions, "What is, and what is not, cannot be," and "out of nothing comes nothing." With these ideas in mind, let's turn our attention first to the fragments of Parmenides in modern-day English. This will be followed by a more poetic, literary translation of the fragments. The Fragments of Parmenides and Heraclitus has been published by Bishop and Hudson. Please visit us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest for discounts and offers.